restaurants Austin is known for, with a great outdoor patio, live music, and plenty to drink.
Love it. So Manmosas are fantastic.
But this spot does a really bang-up job on the food. Bangers Sausage House and Beer Garden specializes in what its name says, homemade bangers and house-cut bacon, and perhaps the biggest mimosas on the planet. Here, they call them Manmosas.
You come here, this place is packed, live music, a dog park, but this is not an unusual Sunday, right? This is brunch at Bangers.
This is pretty much it. I mean, it's, you know, a lot of what we try to do here is sort of transcend a meal into an experience.
Yeah, I love the experience here because it's a real family atmosphere. I mean, you're going to see kids, adults, you name it, and of course they brought their pets, which is awesome.
And awesome is how loyals describe Bangers. Sure, they may come during the week, but Sunday brunch here is something special.
How often do you guys come here?
A couple times a month, usually on a Sunday for brunch.
They've got good, you know, sausage and bacon. It's a good breakfast. So.
Bangers is the brainchild of Ben Siegel, and this is his first restaurant. Ben's a new dad who, after graduating from UT, headed off to a real estate job in California and thought, what if?
I spent a lot of time going out to 6th Street and enjoying the nightlife in Austin. And there was a sausage cart that's still there called the Best Worst on 6th Street. And late at night, I'd often visit it, and it blew me away how long the lines were there. And I just started thinking about the fact that there was really no brick and mortar place that was doing that. This idea just persisted and persisted and persisted until I finally decided just to go for it.
Well, you're like one of the many millions who go to UT and say, hey, I like this place, I'm staying here.
That's exactly right.
Pretty clear, Ben's hunch paid off. And now Bangers cranks out 2,000 pounds of house-made sausage in 30 different varieties every week, all in this tiny corner of a very crowded kitchen.
Every kind of flavor combination you can imagine, right?
From the traditional to the bratwurst, and then we have a fried chicken sausage. So we take a lot of artistic licensing.
So what is a fried chicken sausage?
So it's a lot like a normal sausage, but rather than putting it into a natural casing, we actually wrap it in chicken skin, and we bread it and we fry it, and that's a fried chicken sausage.
Well, like everything in Texas, frying is often better,
absolutely.
right?
Absolutely.
And to kick it up a notch or two, they serve that chicken fried wonder on a waffle.
Okay, Ben, so by the looks of this small kitchen, it's kind of controlled chaos, right?
It's exactly what it is. It's real busy. We got a waffle making station over here. This is our executive chef doing some prep work over there.
Smell those poblanos. Oh, wow.
It's not all about the sausage here. Bangers offers vegetarian plates and some incredibly colorful salads. But if it's meat you're craving, Bangers covers all the bases. The bacon steaks are jaw-dropping. 2 quarter-pound slabs of bacon cooked to perfection.
That is amazing. That's bacon.
The kitchen may be small, but the flavors this crew is sending out of here are anything but.
It's really good. The steak is like it's seasoned with like garlic and stuff. It's really good.
Yeah, and he's too busy eating
Yeah,
to
he's
talk,
too busy eating.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's serious eating, but it's also serious fun here.
We've got the largest draft beer selection in the city of Austin and the 3rd largest in the state of Texas, and the atmosphere is really difficult to beat.
Oh, it's the best. Like I say, there are a lot of smiles on the faces here.
Yeah.
It's easy to see why.
Yeah.
Not in the mood for a beer? Well, how about that monster Manmosa? An entire bottle of champagne topped off with orange juice. It's one of the top-selling items on the menu.
You drink the entire thing?
I'm almost there. We're almost there. 2 more sips. Yeah.
Was everything good?
Yeah, everything is
You guys dug the band and all that?
You guys doing a good job here.
Awesome. We really appreciate it. Yeah.
When you're here, you really are family. So bring the kids, bring your dogs, and oh yeah, bring your appetite.
Time for my wine finds of the week, and I've got plenty of great wines for hot weather, something we know all too well here in Texas. At first, I'm going to start with one of my favorite summer varietals, a Sauvignon Blanc. I love this varietal. It's dry, it's crisp. This is called Unwind. It's from Dry Creek Valley. Sauvignon Blancs are beautifully paired with chicken, sushi, even salads. This one you're going to get some lemon zest, some grapefruit, some apple, a little bit more rounded than a New Zealand style Sauv Blanc. This is Dry Creek Valley Unwind. Okay, Chardonnay fans, I would never leave you out, and this is a fun one. Bogle Essential Chardonnay. This is not heavily oaked, although it sees just a little bit. On this wine, I think the fruit just really shines through. You get flavors of apple and pear, and this too will pair great with lighter foods, chicken, fish. It's even good just a little porch wine during the summer. Okay, think outside the box. We're going to talk Vino Verdes now. If you've never had a Vino Verde, you're in for a treat. Vino Verdes are from Portugal, and they are fun hot weather wines. This one is called the Spritzer. It's only about $7 a bottle. So yes, this is one you want to stock your refrigerator with. It's a great poolside wine, bright, crisp, refreshing. And Vino Verdes have a little bit of effervescence. They're really a fun wine. You can't beat it, and only 10% alcohol, so it's a very low alcohol wine as well. So these are my fun wine finds of the week, and as always, I found them at H-E-B. When we come back, find out how you could be spending a weekend at the beautiful Houstonian with a little spa love thrown in. Want to get away? Your chance could be a click away. Head to Good Taste TV right now and sign up for a chance to win a luxurious weekend at the Houstonian, complete with spa treatments for you and a guest at the beautiful award-winning Trellis Spa. A reminder to set your DVRs right now for next week's show. And if you missed any of this week's, you can catch it online at goodtaste.tv. That's all our time. Thanks so much for joining us, everyone. Cheers to good taste.